How to join a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can join a broadcast channel on Instagram. Now before we start, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. First, you'll simply need to open up your Instagram. After you open up your Instagram, you'll need to head over to the profile of the page or the celebrity of whom you want to join the broadcast channel of. After you're there, right under their description right under the description, you should see this option right here, like messages. If you tap on that, you'll get redirected to another page. Now wait for the page to load and you will notice that this is their broadcast channel. Now all you need to do to join is tap on join to join to this broadcast channel. And it's that simple guys. That is how you can join broadcast channel on Instagram. And thanks for watching. That is all for the video.